Just checking in on all my courage OGs. How are you doing? What is going on, everyone? Jeremy Ritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. In today's video, this isn't even a trading video, a market video. This is just me checking in with all my friends out there in YouTube land, Courage land, just to say hello, ladies and gentlemen, and just hope that you're doing great. Hope that you had a phenomenal summer. We're coming up on the middle of August, and I just wanted to see how you're doing and say hello. And again, just send some well wishes your way, and also give you an update on how things are going for this guy, because I've had some of you asked how Ironman training is going and how other things are going. So today I'm going to give you a little bit of an update. And yes, I'm coming back from the gym, first workout of the day complete, and got the swim in. You guys know the swim has been the thing that I'm most concerned about heading into this race. But today is August 11th. So 20 days left this month. And then the race is September 19th. So I have 39 days until race day. And am I ready? I'm getting there. I think physically I could finish at this point, but I don't want to be arrogant and cocky, because training for an Ironman and thinking you're ready versus actually getting in there and doing it, two completely different stories. So I do not want to sit here and boast, oh, I'm going to crush it, but I'm putting in the work. I'm definitely putting in the work. So we will see. And I've learned so much during this process about swimming, which again, I'm horrible at. I could just stay afloat in the water. Learned so much about swimming, biking, which I've never really done. Running, I've run for a long period of time. I've done a lot of strength training this time through, but really I'm learning a lot about myself and when things get difficult. And here's the one thing that I'll say that has stood out to me. And I'm going to put together a video that's going to document the whole Ironman journey. For those of you interested in watching it, not everybody's who follows me for stocks and want to watch it. Like I said, it's for the OGs, but it's going to be my before and after pictures, because part of my goal was to get shredded. So I will show my before picture, my after picture. I'm working on a 6-pack. So that will be in the video, just everything from when I started training until the end. But anyway, this is one of the biggest takeaways that I've had so far from this. I know before I started training for an Ironman, I used to look at Ironman training schedules and I would be like, how in the world does somebody train 15, 16, 18, 20, 24 hours in a week? How do you do that? And how do you maintain everything else? And that's been something that you don't even realize it when you're doing it, but then you stop and you're like, holy shit, I did 18 hours of exercise this week. And then you're like, how did I fit that in my schedule? And that's the thing. You have to be really scheduled for something like this, just because it requires so much. You guys know that I trade, run a business, and most importantly, husband and father of 3 kids, which has to come first. So there's definitely, it's busy, that's for sure. And you look at some elite people, the elite Ironmans, they're doing 20 hours a week consistently. So I couldn't imagine something like that. But that's been the thing. I'm like, how in the world can someone do that? And then I'm like, I'm doing it now. And I'm like, wow, I'm doing it. So the takeaway is the things that we think are so beyond us that we can't do, that we can't wrap our brains around. When you start actually doing it, you realize, yeah, I can do that. It's not as crazy as it seems, right? And we can apply that to anything in life. If there's something out there that we want to do that seems impossible, it's not. And the way to find out if you can do it is just to get out there and go do it. But anyway, I am in my peak 2 weeks of training. So this is the peak week 1. And then next week, everything gets maxed out. So it's going to be my hardest training week, most training hours. And then after that begins what is known as the taper, where I start dialing back my training volume to recover, to be in the best shape for race day. And then September 19th, it is go time. The one thing that I still have yet to do, I've got to get my wetsuit. I don't have that. I've got to plan out like all my nutrition plan. There's so much to do because it's the event. It's known when to get there to register, sign up, grab your materials. Then you have to place your bike in the bike section. You have to have all your change of clothes. There's so much stuff. And so the last thing I'll finish up with is the cutoff time for IRONMAN Maryland is 17 hours. So I have to finish in 17 hours. Cutoff time for the swim, 2 hours, 20 minutes. And so you could just do the math there for the bike and run. So my main goal is to finish. But I will tell you this, if I just finish, that's not good enough for me. All right. I have time-based goals. I'll share them with you here as we get closer to the race. But yeah, that's where I'm at. I will say this. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous, but I'm mostly excited that like all this hard work is coming to a close. I'm excited to get out there and see what I could do and really test myself. But I am looking forward to September 20th, getting all that time back. That is going to be nice. Looking forward to that. And then I'll begin my next adventure, which knows what that's going to be. Honestly, when this is over, I'm going to take a little break from physical challenges. I'll plan one for next year. But it's going to be all about courage, baby. Growing. Courage pays better than fear. The YouTube channel, the business, trying to help as many people as possible with trading, with investing, learning the markets. That's what it's all about. But anyway, this might get 10 views. But like I said, for the OGs out there who want to know how it's going, just an old school driven video, here it is. So I love you. I hope you have an amazing day. Positivity, peace, and just prosperity, good health to you. And as always, in the meantime, in between time, in this marvelous, fantastic, spectacular, magnificent, stupendous, exquisite world that we get to pursue opportunity in, make it a great day. Honor the moment. And most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, be grateful. Take care, everyone.